Hey guys, welcome back to the Book of Emma. So I'm walking down our road now where we live, and we have had rain for 3 days now. And the last time that it flooded over the road is when I was 7. So you can already see there's like... all of this is not supposed to be here, guys. That's the road, guys. Look at the road. That is absolutely insane. This is supposed to be 2 lanes right here. All that's gonna be gone. Well, not gonna be, I would say. That is some deep water. Deep, deep water. Look at that, guys. That is insane. This was the road right here. If you can hear it, look at it. I'm gonna walk through it and see how fast it's actually going. Oh my gosh. I need to roll up my leggings. It's really, really cold. I'll tell you where the road ends and see if I can find it. I can barely even see my feet. Alright, let's see. It ends right here, and it's up to my ankles. So I am standing at the end of the road, and it's up to my ankles. That is insane. Look at it. So there's a creek all the way down there on that side somewhere, and this is what it has done. It's all flowing through there. It's not supposed to. All of that's flooded, and that is crazy. Look at all that water. Look at all that right there. It's all pouring off of the side right there. It's not supposed to be coming. You see it right there? Yeah, it's not supposed to be coming right there. It's insane. Alright, this was the end of the vlog for today. I'm actually going to be going up to one of my friend's house today, and I do not know how I'm going to get past that. So, that is insane. Yep. So, welcome to Alabama, everybody. Yep. Alright, bye.